Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Quiz with Fun. Welcome back to another exciting challenge. It's time for pick one, kick one. So get ready to make tough choices and have some fun.
Have you subscribed my channel yet, friends? So before watching, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Which Angry Birds you will pick, Red or Stella? Which one you will pick, Chalk or Bubblies? Bomb or Silver? Which Angry Birds you will pick? Which Angry Birds you will choose? Write your choice in the comment box. Which one you will pick and which one you will kick? Pick one, kick one, King Pig or Courtney? Which Angry Birds you will pick? Gary or Bad Piggies? Mighty Eagle or Corporal Pig? Which one you will pick? Willow or Professor Pig? Which Angry Birds you will pick? Write your choice in the comment box. Pick one, kick one, Ruby or Foreman Pig? Which one you will choose? Write your choice in the comment box. Oh, this is the last one. Which Angry Birds you will pick?
Thanks for watching and please do not forget to like and subscribe.